Hey guys, it is Sunday and it's a new vlog, and I haven't vlogged anything all week. I've basically just been working, but we're on the way to do some errands and pick up the last few things that we need before New York, and we leave on Friday. So, yeah, I know, got a lot of stuff to do. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and see what we can find. Nothing like Starbucks and TJ Maxx. We're going in. I'm looking for a few things. I need to find something to go under that lacy top. I don't know. We'll see what we find. I found some lime cream. So excited. I don't need those. I really don't need those. Look at the giant coffee mug. Like, here's my hand. All right, I'm back home. I only did a couple little clips while we were gone because honestly, there just wasn't that much exciting, and I'm like, I don't know, I'm having like anxiety over getting everything done. I feel like every time there's like a lot of stuff I need to do, I just like mentally shut down. So I have a lot to do. I found a bra and a little undershirt for my lacy top, so I think I have that outfit like done. I'm just gonna try it on and make sure everything's okay. I was actually hoping to find some new combat boots. Like, I know they're not in season, but I was like, oh, maybe I'll find some on clearance, like, since it's off season for them. But there are literally none to be found. So I'm gonna try on the outfit that I'm planning with those pink Nautica shoes I bought. I did those in a haul, so maybe I'll show you guys like what I'm planning to wear. And I still need to do a bit of packing. First, let me show you guys. So of all my little errands from TJ Maxx, I just got these little pajama pants. They look springy. I basically got exactly what was in my cart. So I got this box of sheet masks. I love these. And then I got two little lime crime goodies. This was only $5.99 for the little plushies palette. And then one of the diamond crushers. These are really gorgeous. This one's a little bit different color. I have one, I think I got in an advent calendar that's like a pinker one, and I really like it. And again, just $5.99 for that as well. So that's all I got. I didn't really find anything I needed, and I also had like $30 of TJ Maxx rewards, so I actually didn't pay but like $2 for all that. I'm making my mom a little like basket because she's gonna come take care of the cats for one of the days that we're gone, just like make sure everything's good, scoop litter boxes, refill food, water, whatever is needed. So she loves Kit Kats and she has really curly hair, so I'm putting something together. I've got some other stuff I need to like round up. I always like put things to the side, things I get in gratis or stuff that I buy occasionally. So yeah, I'm gonna make a little like goodie basket. I couldn't put any grass in it though because the cats will definitely eat that and it's like horrible for their intestines. She wanted some barbecue chips. I was like, what do you want in the house? She's basically like coffee, stuff to make a sandwich, and barbecue chips. I was like, okay. And then JCPenney, I literally just got a white bra and a plain white undershirt. So that's just like getting ready for my outfit. Okay, so I've started like gathering a few things to pack. This is gonna be my carry-on because honestly it's just for a couple of days. And then this is gonna be like my personal items. So I'm gonna put my like crossbody in here. So far I'm getting together like my little skincare bag, which is basically a lot of Amore Pacific stuff. I've got this little bag which just has like a toothbrush, Q-tips, deodorant, just some like little basics, some hair ties. So I've got that one. And I already had these kind of put aside from a different little bag I had ready. So I've got some of the Lancome Absolute powder. I've got some Laura Mercier setting powder. I've got this little, yeah, this is a Champagne Pop mini highlight. So this one's like gonna be perfect to take because it's the right size. I think I have another one this size that I'll probably take with me too. This is a NARS eyeshadow. I don't know if I'm gonna take that, but yeah, this is like just like what I had thrown together. So I'm ready to just like fill my bags, if that makes sense. But I'm taking both of these onto the plane and I'm not checking a bag. We may either check a bag on the way back, or if we need to, like anything that I buy at IMATS, I may just ship it back if it makes more sense to do that. So yeah, this is what's going on. I also got my gratis. I've got this little like bag right here, but I haven't filmed it yet. I just put it to the side. God, I need to film videos, and I've been like so unproductive today. So I think what I'm about to do is I'm gonna put some Olaplex in my hair, like wet my hair and put some Olaplex in, let that sit, and then try on the two like outfits, or like figure out exactly what I'm wearing for Saturday and Sunday, and then basically just start packing my clothes and then go through, I need to go through my vanity room. It is such a disaster. Like, I just can't keep up. My vanity itself is such a mess, so I need to go through that and like pick out what brushes I'm gonna take. I have a Sigma like a mini brush set that I'll probably throw in my bag, so I'll grab that, and then like obviously other select brushes that I really love. And yeah, I'm overwhelmed. I get overwhelmed with the smallest things when I have a lot to do, so I'm trying not to get too overwhelmed, but man, I do have a lot to do though. My hair is a wreck. This is like day 4 or 5 of my hair after the last wash. So yeah, I'm gonna Olaplex and do a fresh wash. I also bought this new hair dryer. It's really interesting that it infuses your hair with scent. It's got like a vanilla scent infuser. I think I might actually film that after I shower with like my wet hair and blow dry my hair and see how it works. I'm kind of skeptical, but we're gonna see. What are y'all doing? Tina already got in my bag earlier. She's like, I'm going too, Mom. You're so pretty. Minnows, don't just show your butt, boy. He's got such scaly skin. He's got little like dandruff, dry skin. We've been working on it, but we're taking care of it. It's just his skin gets so dry back here, but we're working on it, right? We got some pet safe oil and stuff on there. Getting them some better food. And speaking of that, I got them some Fresh Pet Moisture Rich Tender Bites, some healthier food to try out, so I'm gonna see if they like that. And then for a treat, I got some of these Talenti gelato layers, so peanut butter vanilla fudge and blue and black raspberry vanilla parfait. It looks really good. So I'm going through a few things to pick out. I'm gonna take this little House of Lashes case that I've got. It has a little baby glue underneath, so I'm going to take this. I had a couple pair of lashes already in there, and I think I'm also going to put these little Makeup Geek in there. I love that these are like little half lashes. That's so cute. So I think I'm going to pop them into the case. They may be too long for that spot. And then I also found my old case, so I'm actually going to, I think, trash these. You can tell they got some love, but the top and bottom ones used to be some of my favorites. I used to pick them up at Walgreens, and honestly, I can't remember what they were called. But the only problem is the bands are just like so freaking thick. And then the middle pair, I want to say I have another pair of the middle pair ones. No, those are different. I thought they were the Creme Shop lashes. I don't know. So I may hold on to the middle ones because those have a really light, thin band like I tend to like more now. Like clean this and then donate this little thing. You can tell like those thicker lashes literally just like pop off. Yeah, I think I'm gonna donate that one because I have 2 of these little House of Lashes ones that are super cute. Super cute, yep. And then I'm going through, I picked out some minis that I want to take with me. I've got my little Sigma brush case, and then I've got a bunch of these brushes. I can't remember, these are the BH Rose Gold, I think. They will fit in here too, so I'm going to clean some of those. I'm going to take Smashbox concealer. I got a little brow gel, a little Ofra mini lip, ColourPop highlighter, and then I also have the little makeup fixer from Ofra. This is a 2 ounce. So that should be safe to take with me as well. So yeah, I'm just gathering some things, but honestly, oh my god, it's a mess everywhere else. So now I've got the Olaplex in my hair. It is freaking hot as balls in my house right now. It is like 85 degrees, and earlier I was literally just in my underwear because I'm like, screw it, I'm super hot. I tried on some clothes. Of course, I didn't like the way they look because I'm like, oh, I'm gross, I'm fat, I'm bloated, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, had a little freak out about that. And then just threw the clothes in the bag and was like, okay, I'll figure it out. I did take an alternate like top to go for Saturday just in case I do put that on the day of and I'm like, you know, in tears. So I have a backup, which is something a little bit less form-fitting. So if, because I think I might be on my period then. So if I'm like super bloated, I may not want to wear it because, I don't know. You know how that goes. Take a look at my vanity. It's such a freaking mess, but look at this little angel right here. Hi, Snails. Sniffies. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You're so pretty. Pretty girl. Ooh, big yawn. You want to kiss him? Sniffies kisses. Okay, thank you, Snails. I love you. Hey guys, it is now Monday morning, so this is the day the vlog goes up. If you've watched so far, then you can tell I didn't vlog very much, but I thought I would share my morning with you guys and tell you what I'm doing. So I just washed my face. I haven't done the rest of my skincare yet, and I'm gonna make a cup of coffee so I can have that when I'm done with my skincare. I'll go with this guy. My cute coffee mug. Oh shit. I put way too much stevia in there. I'm using some breakfast blend K-Cup. Alright, so I had all just basically my skincare from last night. So I just used the Amore Pacific Treatment Enzyme Peel. This one's more like a gentle exfoliator, but I love it for refreshing the skin in the morning. It feels so smooth. And then I just spritzed my face and my chest with the Clinique Moisture Surge. Honestly, I don't feel like this does anything. It's kind of like the Evian one, but I like the Evian one better, but I only have a little bit left, so I'm just using it to kind of add a little hydration. And now I'm going to go in with Dr. Dennis Gross, the C+ Collagen Serum, and I'm also using the Pericone Firming Eye Cream. This is from their hypoallergenic line. And the moisturizer I've been using is one that's discontinued, that I grabbed up a couple of sealed ones I found at TJ Maxx right after it went away, but I feel like they're really not that great anymore. This is the Algenist Sublime Moisturizer. I feel like since I've opened it, the texture's changed a little bit. So I don't know, I should probably throw it out, but I love that moisturizer so much. So I'm gonna complete my skincare and then we'll have some coffee. That glow, I don't know if it's still a moisturizer. No, I think it's a little bit of sweat there. That's good. So anyway, I'm starting with Stila One Step. This is their old packaging, and this is as you can see, it's all the way up here, so it's really empty. I really do love this primer though. I need to pick up a new one. It's great because it kind of hydrates, it color corrects a little bit, which I think most of the green color corrector is gone out of this, so. But it usually has a helix of purple, green, and I think it has peach in it. I'm gonna be trying out a new palette and some liquid lips, so I'm pretty much doing everything else. I'm just not doing eyes or lips. I'm going in with CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I love this one so much. They really did it when they did this foundation to me. I only have a few days left before New York. So today I'm closing, and then I work for the next 3 days. Thank goodness the day before I leave that I'm working morning and I get off relatively early. I was supposed to get off at 4, but now somehow I'm working until 6, which kind of is a bummer. I'm going to do my best though to leave early if at all possible and get home. Yeah, everybody wants to sit in my chair right when I need to use it, and then I feel bad that I have to get them up. We just need a few extra chairs in here, huh? Man, I need to make iced coffee instead. But I hope you guys are doing amazing. Let me know in the comments, is there anything fun going on in your life? Anything special? This is, being able to travel for me is pretty special because I work such a crazy up and down schedule that getting the time off to do something is important. I need time off, but really I'll need time off after this little trip just to be able to relax. I feel like the next few off days that I have after I get back are just gonna be trying to unwind. I think this Shape Tape is about had it because it's not blending that well. It's thickened up a little bit, so I think it's about time to replace. But anyway, there's my foundation and my concealer. I'm gonna get to work on the rest of this face, And then before I film my eyes and lips, I'm gonna get the vlog footage onto my laptop so that I can hopefully edit it on my lunch break. So I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I can't wait to vlog when we're in New York. I probably won't vlog very much for the next few days because, like I said, it's just like work, work, work. Any like last minute getting stuff together, I'll probably vlog that and then just vlog the trip for you guys. So it will definitely be a much better vlog next week. With eye mats and all of that in it, and it should be a long one too, so I'm excited about that. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to break it up into smaller videos. I can do a vlog for like Monday through Friday and then do like a dedicated eye mat vlog for Saturday. I don't know, let me know what you think. I think I was just intending to put everything together, but it will probably be a pretty long one, so let me know what you guys prefer, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.